Love the mix of answers. So 9 days and the Intense 5 is still intense. Let's go. Lady Marion Hall is going back to dance hall. Well, not in the way many would hope, but after some obvious accusations, Marion is taking her gospel back to her roots. Grammy Awards has a new date, which they hope they'll be able to stick to. Wonder if The Weeknd was invited. And speaking of The Weeknd, have you seen his new video and his new face? No, sir. He has prosthetics for his video that looks like he had extreme plastic surgery. It's not cute at all though. Like, no, what's going on? Poppy is known for speaking his mind, and he did exactly that when Bolt and NJ released their track. He received some backlash, but you know Poppy, him not really care what you think, you know? He's made that quite clear, right? Just to get it off his chest. And finally holding the spot this week, protesters stormed the Capitol building, left notes in offices, stole lecterns and laptops. It was like watching a movie, and what did they achieve? Nothing. Like literally the start of 2021 featuring the Americans, clearly. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. If the first 9 days had all this drama, what will the remaining 356 days have? Oh boy, okay. I'm all for good drama though. Remember to check out our features on IG at TVJ Intense.